Hi mga kapotential, Ma'am si Marian signing at our channel. So yesterday Sunday, we were in SM San Lazaro where there is a book sale. So kaya friend, ayan, madami na naman tayong book collection. Let me share with you our book sale haul in SM San Lazaro. So yan, madami pong sale kaya ayan, hindi na naman natin natiis ang ating books that we can use in our daily life, in preparing our modules, or in our consulting work, in our day-to-day interactions with people. First one is Chasing Skinny Rabbits. So it's by Dr. Jandren, one of my favorite book authors. Yan. So what is a skinny rabbit? There are things that sabi niya, are you emotionally, physically, and spiritually exhausted? So, it's about burnout. What are the things that causes us to feel burnout or exhausted? So, di-discuss niya yan. Dito sa Skinny Rabbits by Dr. Jan Trent, one of our favorite authors, together with Gary Smalley. 6 Hearts of Intimacy. Enjoying deeper love and passion in marriage. Yeah. So this is 35 pesos. This is 65 pesos. Kaya, na naman tayo. 1 share of night, 1 share of morning. It's 20 pesos. Hardbound pa siya. Yan. So, friend, kaya hindi natin ma-say no yung mga books natin. They're so affordable. Parang isang lang. Mas mahal pa yung bumili ka ng anong tawag yan? Ng coffee. This one is Get Out of Your Own Way by Dave Halls. So, 35 pesos only. Inisa-isa natin, maganda yung topics na we can apply sa ating blog potentials. Trainers Bonanza, over 1,000 fabulous tips and tools, ayan, sa ating mga training activities. Only 75 pesos. Saan ka ba naman makakabili ng book na ganyan kamura? Ito. Pretty Happy, Healthy Ways to Love Your Body by Kate Hudson. I think she's an American actress, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan. Meron pa nga tayong mga hindi nabili kasi yun, pinigilan natin ang sarili. The Declutter Workbook, 101 Feng Shui Steps to Transform Your Life. So, Feng Shui. So, yun ang ating haul for yesterday at book sale in San Lazaro. Continue reading and enriching your knowledge kasi magagamit mo yan in your everyday life and work. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.